The Rural and Regional Development Ministry has so far spent about 4 million ringgit to help victims in the flood-hit states through the various agencies. According to its Minister Datuk Sri Muhammad Shafi Abdal, that included 1 million ringgit for the Orang Asli community. Among the items spent on were food and basic daily needs of the flood victims.
Setakat ini kita ada belanja hampir 4 juta ringgit yang kita disediakan untuk membantu immediate di peringkat kementerian. Orang asli 1 juta lebih dan daripada ya segera yang kita ada sediakan makanan dan berbagai-bagai kemudahan pakaian ya. Ini kita sediakan immediate baik pergi setengah-setengah tempat ada pengusahaan ya.
Shafi also had requested the Malaysian Armed Forces and the South Kelantan Development Authority to clean up the mosque so that it can be fully used for prayers and to shelter flood victims.